Hi, hello. Today we have made the heart lace braid, and I'll just show you how it turns out. It turns out super cute. I'll show you. So this is how ours turned out. This is the lace braid. So you can see I've come across the top of the head and gone round on both sides and then joined it in the middle with a band. And I really enjoyed doing this one. It was great fun and it didn't take too long at all. This one you'd be able to whip up in the morning before school for definite. So thank you, Mindy, for this beautiful hairstyle. I'm definitely doing this one again, and I'm sure that my daughter's friends will all like to have this as well. So it came out super cute. Do you like your hair?
Yes.
Are you going to get it done soon again for school when you go back to school?
Yes.
Yours as well. It's lovely. It looks so pretty. You're going to say goodbye to Mindy?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.